of the trains is running down here. It has like a bad fan motor bearing. This thing is running, it's blowing out hot air. It's an XR12. Yes, this one's the messed up fan motor. It's spinning really slow. I can hear this fan motor all the way over there. It's been like that for a while. That's safe. And that's even safer. Make sure to always touch those wires. This feature reference. I'm kidding, don't.